Hey friends, and I'm Safir, and today in this video we will learn how to multiply and divide negative integers. So let's get to it. So what we need to remember is our little notes So negative and negative equals to positive, positive and positive equals to negative, positive and a negative equals to a negative positive and positive equals to positive, positive and a negative equals to a negative, and a negative and a positive equals to a negative. And so we need to keep that in mind, and we need to simply multiply or divide. And I'll show you what I mean in a moment. Multiply or divide. So if we look at our example here, 5 times negative 6. So what we need to do here, so another tip for today friends, is when a number won't have any symbols, so like the 5 here for this instance is just 5, right? So how do we figure out if it's a positive or a negative? So that's the thing, when a digit won't have any symbol, so like no negative sign here, it means that the 5 is a positive, so a positive 5. So here we have a positive 5 times negative 6. So what we need to do is plus, we need to find like the sign, so plus, so a plus 5 and a negative 6, so a plus and a negative equals to a negative. So we would write that symbol in our answer, and then we'll just simply multiply. So 5 times 6 equals to 30, and so our answer equals to negative 30. Let's try it with another one. So the next one equals to negative 3 times negative 7. And so remember, we see our digits, or like, what do we call it? So like our signs here, so they both have a negative and a negative, so we check a negative and a negative equals to positive. So a positive, we don't write anything, and so we just simply multiply. So 7 times 3 equals to 21, and so our answer equals to positive 21 or 21. And so let's try it with another one. Negative 36 divide negative 4. So what we do here is the same thing. We see what sign they have. They both have a negative, and this one also has a negative, so it would equal to a negative, and a negative equals to a positive. So positive number doesn't have anything on it, and so don't write anything, and so we just simply divide. 36 divide 4 equals to 9, and so our answer is 9. Let's try it with one last equation. And so the last one, negative 18 divide 9. So we check here, the 9 doesn't have any sign, so it means it's a positive. So a negative and a positive equals to a negative. So we add a negative in our answer, and then we simply divide. So 18 divide 9 equals to 2. And so our answer here is negative 2. So now let's recap friends, what we have learned today. What we have learned today is how to multiply and divide negative integers. And so another thing we needed to remember is our little keynotes. For example, like these ones here, and we need to like put that in play first of all, and then second we just simply multiply it or divide it. So as seen in our previous previous equation, we seen that 9 didn't have anything, so it's a positive. So we went to our little notes, so a negative and a positive equal to a negative, so we added the negative in our answer, and then we just simply divide it. So 18 divided 9 equals to 2, and so our answer equal to -2. And so that's it for today, friends, and bye, and I'll see you next time.